To integrate Apple Pay on Apple Watch. Start by ensuring your Apple Watch is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have a supported bank or card issuer. Next, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and navigate to the My Watch tab. Then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Here you can add a credit or debit card by tapping on Add Credit or Debit Card and following the prompts to enter your card information. You may be asked to verify your card with your bank or card issuer. Once your card is added, you can view and manage your cards in the Wallet and Apple Pay section of the Apple Watch app. To use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, double-click the side button to open the Wallet app. Then select the card you want to use and hold your Apple Watch near the contactless reader. You can also use Apple Pay to make purchases in apps on your Apple Watch. To do this, open the app, select the item you want to purchase. Then tap the Buy with Apple Pay button and review the payment details. Best practices for using Apple Pay on Apple Watch include keeping your Apple Watch and iPhone up to date with the latest software, using a passcode to secure your Apple Watch, and monitoring your account activity regularly. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily integrate Apple Pay on your Apple Watch and start making convenient and secure payments. Remember to always keep your information secure and be mindful of your surroundings when making payments in public.